Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Hello everyone, and hello Nexo. This is a vocabulary lesson about numbers.
Hello, Emma. I am ready to learn.
Today, we will learn words from these categories. Numbers 20 to 30, with words like 20 and 30. Numbers 20 to 100, with words like 40 and 100.
That sounds useful, Emma.
Here is how the video is structured. Words. Listen to each word. Quiz 1. Practice the words in Quiz 1. Phrases. Hear each word in a sentence. Quiz 2. Practice the phrases in Quiz 2. Are you ready to begin, Nexo?
Yes, Emma. I am ready.
Let's start by listening to the words.
Great. I will listen carefully. Numbers 20 to 30. 20. 20. 21. 21. 22. 22. 23. 23. 24. 24. 25. 25. 26. 26. 27. 27. 28. 28. 29. 29. 30. 30. Numbers 20 to 100, tens. 20. 20. 30. 30. 40. 40. 50. 50. 60. 60. 70. 70. 80. 80. 90. 90. 100. 100. I know many numbers now.
Now, we will do a quiz to reinforce the vocabulary learned. Nexo. Match the image with the correct word.
21. 20. 22. 30. What is this? $20. What is this? $21. What is this? $22. $23. 24. 25. 27. What is this? $23. What is this?
24. What is this?
25.
26. 20. 28. 27. What is this? 26. What is this? 27. What is this? 28. 20. 30. 40. 90. What is this? 20. What is this? 30. What is this? 40. $20. 60. 50. 70. What is this? 50. What is this? 60. What is this? 70. $90. 80. $100. 20. What is this? 80. What is this? 90. What is this? 100.
How was the quiz, Nexo?
It was good. I like numbers.
Now, let's hear the vocabulary in context.
Numbers 20 to 30. 20. I see 20 apples. I see 20 apples. 21. There are 21 books. There are 21 books. 22. I have 22 pencils. I have 22 pencils. 23. There are 23 chairs. There are 23 chairs. 24. I count 24 stars. I count 24 stars. 25. There are 25 flowers. There are 25 flowers. 26. I see 26 cars. I see 26 cars. 27. There are 27 balloons. There are 27 balloons. 28. I have 28 stickers. I have 28 stickers. 29. There are 29 birds. There are 29 birds. 30. I see 30 cookies. I see 30 cookies. Numbers 20 to 100, tens. 20. 20 students are here. 20 students are here. 30. 30 oranges are in the box. 30 oranges are in the box. 40. 40 pencils are on the table. 40 pencils are on the table. 50. 50 coins are in the jar. 50 coins are in the jar. 60. 60 ducks are in the lake. 60 ducks are in the lake. 70. 70 leaves are on the ground. 70 leaves are on the ground. 80. 80 fish are in the tank. 80 fish are in the tank. 90. 90 stars are in the sky. 90 stars are in the sky. 100. 100 beads are in the bag. 100 beads are in the bag.
Now, it is time for Quiz 2. Match the image with the sentence.
I will choose the correct sentence.
I see 20 apples.
B.
There are 21 books.
A.
I have 22 pencils.
C.
There are 23 chairs.
C.
I count 24 stars.
B.
There are 25 flowers.
C.
I see 26 cars.
C.
There are 27 balloons.
C.
I have 28 stickers.
C.
There are 29 birds.
A. I see 30 cookies. A.
20 students are here.
B.
30 oranges are in the box.
A.
40 pencils are on the table.
A.
50 coins are in the jar.
B.
60 ducks are in the lake.
C.
70 leaves are on the ground.
B.
80 fish are in the tank.
A.
90 stars are in the sky.
C.
100 beads are in the bag.
C.
Good job. This is the end of the lesson. I liked practicing numbers today. Goodbye, listeners, and continue with the next lesson.
Thank you, Emma. This class was clear and fun.